you have a business, factoring pig. You buy pig, bigger 6 months, and then factor it and then sell it in labor. So I decided to quit because I'm tired. Tired. So the old man said, you should go on with your business. It's good that you have business that I started. I'm happy that you have business. It's my report.
Hello, Romeo.
Hello, Larry.
Yeah.
That's the big one, huh? I'm going to take the small one and get out the window.
Hi, Luke. Hi, Mel. Gusto mo ito? Nagtatago na sila. Sige. Rene. Aboy ka rin yung makuya. Boy, di ka katang-tang sa Bray. Sorry, Ren. Wala ka kaduwag to rin, no? Ren? Ay, salamat talaga eh. Hi, Mi. I know. Sus, ang gipagpictura ng kiat. Di ba na ito makita? Di rin ako. Hi, Kip. Story rin. Ryan. Hi, Ryan. Si Litters. Mano, isa sa pusing mo. Nagihapon siya, oy. Kisa man ito nagubo, asig, Richard. Sige, okay, anak, ikaw, ito, charge para masama ako kay Kuya Freddy. Wala na yung record eh.
Recorded na pala ito eh. Nakaano na pala eh. Hello to some people out there. Stay tuned. Wow. Hi, Richard. Ano pala si Richard? Yeah. That's my mommy. Hi, Remy. Smiling lahat sila. Sama sila. Puro bakla na si Richard. Ang ganda ng post niya. Ay, yung ano mo, repolyo mo, Chard.
Pakita mo.
Wala, tiga. Oops. Hi, Miriam. Day. Hi, Day. Rene. Naka na, Ramil. Nux. Okay. Sorry.
Hindi okay lang. Ano tayo? Hello guys. Hello. Hi Mi. Hi. Hi Rodolf. Hi no.
Ano yan, yung asawa niya? No.
Hi Ryan. Hello Ryan. Ginawa ko muna.
I was just trying to...
It's okay now.
It's okay now?
Yeah.
It didn't get broken, love.
Huh?
It didn't get broken. You're right now. Kasi right sa kanon, meron ang kanon. Kasi mainit yun eh.
Ano nangyari? Tama ba naman? Ganyan din.
My ears are popping. I wonder how high is the love.
Napunta na ba kayo dito ba?
Hindi pa. First time ko lang pagpunta dito eh.
This will be my third
Oo, second time mo. Isa kasama ni mo na.
That's my experience.
Adi ay, isa pa.
Friends.
Ha? Ako lalo.
Yeah.
Ito no. Makita ko yun o.
Oo.
Ayun o.
I love you.
Ayun ba? There's more in front of you. Sabi ka pa ng White. Ay, yun, ang dami-dami, no?
Ang dami-dami
Oh,
ng-
marang-marang. Nakita ko marang, no?
Lady,
Ay, marang marang.
Nahawa niya marang. Ayan, natatanggal.
Ha?
Unti-unti na matatanggal.
Oo, masarap yun eh, masarap.
Senyorita naman.
Oo, masarap yun ah.
Ano yung marang?
Mano, makain.
Langka o langka?
Langka yata
Oo,
yun.
yung langka.
Wow!
Walang mara.
Sarap-sarap noon. Sagdi na lang kung kumino sa
Milon lang. Yan yung kita